Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll learn how to build a bicycle horn circuit using Tinkercad with a 9-volt battery, push button, and buzzer. Let's get started. Let's connect the battery's positive terminal to the push button. Connect the push button to the buzzer's positive terminal. Connect the buzzer's negative terminal to the battery's negative terminal. Now, let's test it by pressing the button. See, the buzzer sounds. When the push button is pressed, it closes the circuit, allowing current to flow from the battery to the buzzer. Once you release the push button, the circuit opens and the buzzer stops.